7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.
Your comment about the game.
Yes, you can watch this game from two different sides. One pretty good and positive, the other, to be honest, not. What I mean is, we played until the end a tie game, 2 possession different against one of the best team, the Lithuanian champions, and the team that is solid in second position, competing with the Žalgiris in this league with a completed roster, and once again we just lost for some details. On the other hand, we allow 16 offensive rebound, and we knew it. We turned the ball over 16 times, and it's, to be honest, some of those turnovers were pretty. I don't want to use the term stupid, but I did. So something that they gave them the chance to score easy points, especially running in fast break, and I'm sure that the level of focus and physicality we spent on the court with the players that were able to play tonight, obviously smaller rotation, respecting our usual habit, were not the same than the game we played some days ago. But I think that right now the bonuses are over. I mean, we played against Lietkabelis, Žalgiris, and Rytas with a completely different energy and focus, respecting Gran Canaria, Trento, and Budućnost. Now we have just to reset and focus on Neptunas first, absolutely, and then let's see if we will be able to have another game that give the chance to the team that we win to raise up a trophy.
Trenerio komentaras apie rungtynes, tai buvo 2 rungtynių pusės. Treneris pasižiūrėjo, kad buvo žaista, komanda žaidė iki pabaigos ir atsiliko tik 2 atakomis prieš Lietuvos čempionus, prieš šiuo metu 2 vietą užimančią komandą lygoje. Tačiau iš kitos pusės bloga buvo tai, kad varžovams buvo leista atsikovoti 16 kamuolių puolime, taip pat buvo padaryta 16 klaidų, po kurių dalis buvo tikrai kvailos ir po jų varžovai pelnė lengvus taškus. Tačiau atsižvelgiant į turimą rotaciją, kai trūko kelių žaidėjų, tai nebuvo komanda tokia energinga, tokia fiziška, ir dabar jau visas fokusas bus į artėjančias rungtynes taurės finalo ketvirtą su Neptūnu.
Coach, first, hello. Tonight, Ąžuolas Tubelis made, to be exact, 4 out of 7 3-pointers. How much were you risking from him? Because from my eyes, some of those 3-pointers were pretty open for him.
We decided to have one idea that was similar than the first game. Rytas cause offensive rebound, cause defensive pressure and fast break, and drives is the team in this league that has the biggest impact with 2 points. So we decided to try to shrink a bit more the paint, risk a bit. Sometimes you are good on that, like game 1, sometimes not. Obviously we tried to change something in the second half, but to be honest, was not working. Even in my opinion, the 2 3-point shots that were really bad for us were the Radzevicius in transition, where we did a matchup, and the 2 3-point shot by Sergunas. That, to be honest, were in a very important moment of the game.
Klausimas buvo apie tai, ar buvo taikoma rizika prieš Ąžuolą Tubelį, kuris šį vakarą pataikė 4 iš 7 tolimų metimų. Pasak trenerio, sprendimas buvo laikytis panašios taktikos kaip ir pirmose rungtynėse, atsižvelgiant į tai, kad Rytas yra gerai kovojanti dėl atšokusių kamuolių komanda, taip pat gerai bėgant į tranzicijas ir gerai besiveržianti link krepšio, todėl buvo nuspręsta šiek tiek sutankinti gynybą būtent arčiau krepšio ir pasimti tam tikras rizikas. Treneris dar skyrė ir 3 tolimus metimus antroje pusėje, kurios pataikęs Ignas Sargiūnas ir Radzevičius, kurie buvo tikrai gan skaudus.
Coach, you already mentioned Ignas Sargiūnas, right? He was playing from the third quarter and in the fourth quarter about 10 minutes straight. Did he surprise you at all tonight by his play and 11 points and crucial 3-pointers as you mentioned before?
No, I mean, we were almost prepared for everything. Obviously, you see, having 11 players that played enough minutes on the court, they changed a lot of lineups. So our job, especially assistant coaches during the game, from both sides, but for us probably a bit more, we needed to find the best way to find the good matchup and the matchup that could fit for us. But you know, he's a guy that plays with great energy. He's a guy that has is brave to attack. So we just made mistakes in a couple of situations, and obviously he was able to use the minutes that coach Grybienas gave him to help the team to win.
Klausimas buvo apie Igną Surgiūną, kuris trečiajame ir ketvirtajame kėlinyje žaidė 10 minučių be keitimo ir jis nustebino savo taip pat žaidimu. Pasak trenerio, jie buvo pasiruošę beveik viskam. Rytas naudojo labai daug įvairių penketų, todėl Wolves komandos trenerių štabo užduotis buvo surasti geriausius matchupus būtent prieš tos penketus. O kalbant apie Igną, jis žaidė labai drąsiai, su didelė energija. Ir jo tie metimai buvo galbūt labiau klaidos gynyboje.
Coach, talking about your team a little bit, probably one of those bright spots can be Arnoldas Kulboka, who tonight scored 19 points, made 4 3-pointers and did a solid job, especially in the first half.
Yeah, I agree. He's a player that is giving us every time more and more. Obviously, he played more minutes than usual because Minuta said, I thanks him just because he played, and he played 11 minutes, but you see that also during the game he asked for one more time the sub because he wasn't able to continue. Everybody know about his shot, but he's dangerous on a three-point arc. Everybody is playing really aggressive on him. He's able to draw fouls, so he's a player that is helping us to change a bit our way to play, and obviously we have more and more try to get habit to play with him.
Klausimas buvo apie Arnoldą Kulboką, kuris pelnė 19 taškų. Pasak trenerio, šis žaidėjas vis daugiau ir daugiau sulaukė minučių. Aišku, šiandieną jų gavo galbūt kiek daugiau nei buvo planuota, tačiau tai buvo dėl to, kad Regimantas Miniotas iš vis ten dėkingas, kad Regimantas Miniotas galėjo sužaisti tas 11 minučių, net vienu metu jis ir prasiprašė keitimo, dėl to, kad kaip ir nebegalėjo tęsti rungtynių. Tačiau taip pat treneris kalbėjo apie Arnoldą Kulboką, tai kad visi žino, koks yra jo metimas, ir todėl labai stengiasi agresyviai prieš jį gintis, tačiau treneris vis tikisi, kad bus dar geriau.
You, coach, already mentioned about thanking Regimantas for playing tonight, but after last game he had an injury. Could you clarify what happened to him and then what is his situation from the health perspective?
He has a muscle problem on his back mostly. So he would like to be part of the yesterday practice and today the game, but obviously once you play against this kind of physicality, then you can get hit one more time or just twisting your body on a rebound, and he couldn't continue. But I hope that he will be ready and we could manage that situation for the upcoming games.
Pat klausimas apie Regimantą Miniotą, kadangi treneris minėjo, kad jis kaip ir nebegalėjo tęsti rungtynių. Ir pasak trenerio, jis dar praeitose rungtynėse, Europos taurės rungtynėse patyrė nugaros raumens traumą. Tačiau pats pasiprašė į treniruotę vakar ir treneris tikisi, kad jis bus pasiruošęs per šią savaitę žaisti finalo ketvirto.
You missed 2 guards today. What happened to them?
Our 2 guards.
Yeah.
So we have a problem with Kariniauskas about his Achilles tendon. And Andrew, after the last game, he had kind of an infection to his eye. He could barely see, so yeah, he was not able to play. And same for them. I hope that they will be ready to play on Saturday. Yeah. A kind of inflammation.
Taip pat buvo klausimas apie 2 rungtynės praleidusius Vilkų gynėjus, tai apie Vaidą Kariniauską ir Andrių Andriusą. Pasak trenerio, Kariniauskas turi problemų su Achilo sausgyslė, tuo tarpu Andrių turi ir akies infekciją. Tačiau treneris taip pat tikisi, kad šie abu žaidėjai bus pasiruošę žaisti kitą savaitgalį.
7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.